Today I'm making rocket pancakes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put that there, but you always gotta put it in the mix. Then you're gonna go like boom, 3, 2, 1. I think I burned my pancakes. Okay, let's do that again. But this time, I'm gonna play the drums just before I'm gonna be getting 2 pancakes. 2 very special pancakes. They're very special. I think my pancakes exploded. Is that pancake? Yeah, yep, the pancake. My pancakes exploded on accident, okay? When you're making pancakes, sometimes that happens, especially when you're making rocket pancakes. Gotta be careful where you put your drums. But I'm gonna use this one. Oh, well, I'm gonna throw this one all the way over there, just so. So this is how you play the. Also, this is also a tutorial how to play the drums. Go, bink, 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 bink. So simple. Now I'm gonna be making rocket. Aw. 2 rocket pancakes for me. So I'm making my stick because sometimes rocket pancakes, sometimes they like spill out of the pan. So this is what you're gonna need to make rocket pancakes. I'm gonna need 2 rockets, and you need 2 rocket ammo. Then, you need 2 pancake batter, a drumstick, and a pan. For what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the pancakes on the pan, and then you're gonna grab a stick. Then if they spill out, just go. Oh my god! Oh my god. I wasn't really expecting that, but they exploded me so badly that I exploded into the TV. So yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Why do I keep doing that? Okay. Oh my god! That doesn't count, okay? Pretend like I'm not hitting it. So listen. Let me tell you a knee slapper. Let me get you a knee. I'm gonna tell you a really good joke. So why did the chicken cross the road? To get to KFC. That's a knee slapper. That's a knee slapper. That's a real knee slapper. But don't.